Hi guys, it's me again, Maria. So in this short tutorial, I'm gonna show you guys how you can create a loop inside of your video. So if you have a short video, and you're creating like some kind of motivational sounds or motivational, music, then this is a short tutorial that I can show you guys, and I'm gonna use CapCut. You can also use any kind of editing tools that you want, so I think it's the same process, but in this video tutorial I'm going to use CapCut to show you guys how to create a looping and how you can loop your videos inside of CapCut, and how you can also do the b-rolls, things like that, and also with the use of Canva to help you to create a video like that. Alright, so without any further ado, before I go to my computer, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video, and click the notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. And to all of you who already subscribed to my channel, thank you so much guys for all your support, and I will keep creating a video to teach you how to do this and do that based on my experience and based on what I am doing. Alright, so without any further ado, let's go to my computer. Alright, so now I'm going to show you how you can loop the visuals that you downloaded from Pexels for Pixabay, and the one that we edited in Canva. Okay, so from here you're going to CapCut, and then you're going to click create. Okay, so from here we're going to import. As you see here on your left side, click the import, and then we're going to import the video that we just saved it. Then go to your computer and find those video that you just saved it. Alright, so once you uploaded the video that you got from Pexels or Pixabay, and you edited it in Canva, then what you're gonna do here is just to drag it over here. Alright, this is your editing workstation where you can edit it. So let's play with this one first before we go to looping. Alright, so now we're going to loop this one. What you're gonna do first is stop this one and click copy. Alright, so once you click the copy, what you're gonna do next here is you're going to paste it here. And then after you have a clip 1, you have a clip 2, which is the same. What you're gonna do is you're going to click the clip 2 and go to edit. You see the edit? Click the edit, and we were going to reverse. Okay, click the reverse, and let's wait for a second. Alright, so now it's already reversed. Once you click this one, it will give you a breathing motion of your video. Okay, so let's play with this, guys. Alright, and if you want to make a loop again, what you're gonna do is just to click this one and then click copy and go to your next and paste it over here, and there you go. So you're gonna do the same process over and over again, doing looping if you want to use the same video. Alright, so this is how you can create a looping video inside of CapCut. So for my next video, I'm gonna add the sounds, the music that you want to use using these visuals. And one more thing that I want to share with you guys, if you want to create this video long, like for an hour, what you're gonna do is just to copy all of this from here to there, click copy, and then you can just add over here and paste it. And there you go. So it will repeat over and over again all your videos for an hour, and then you will just add the sounds and the music that you want for your video.